This construction is part of a larger project to build a new state route connecting Puyallup and the Port of Tacoma. But the Department of Transportation is putting up signs like these along Fife's I-5 corridor, telling motorists to slow down so construction crews can get their work done safely. The Department of Transportation is working on a better way to get vehicles around Pierce County.
This project constructs 6 new miles,
A new state route that would eventually connect Puyallup to the Port of Tacoma. But that requires building a bridge over I-5.
It'll basically parallel Wapato Way there.
Tom Slimak is working on that aspect of the project and says the goal is to get trucks off of Fife's roads and on a faster route to the port.
It's all about freight mobility, getting freight into and out of the Port of Tacoma more efficiently versus what traffic sees today through the Fife area, trucks going through the local street network.
But construction work on an active highway is serious business. Slimak says crews sometimes are forced to split their attention between their work and speeding motorists.
There's always the risk in the overnight hours of work zone intrusions, so vehicles veering into our work zones and the like. Those are all things that are hazards out there that construction crews have to work around.
But motorists will now have to slow down when they travel through Fife's I-5 corridor. Starting Wednesday, the speed limit is now 50 miles an hour. In addition to the reduced speed limit, traffic along the Fife section of I-5 will be shifted to the right shoulder. Slimak says this would create a wider buffer zone for the crews that are working on the bridge. And having these safeguards in place is vital in helping to address the hazards that construction crews have to deal with while they work.
Any chance we're able to do that and find that balance between safety of the traveling public and our workers, we look to do that.
The lower speed limit will be in effect through the summer. The Department of Transportation is also holding an online open house from now until February 20th, where people will be able to leave comments and get status updates on this project. From Fife, Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.